But the simplest ways to make money online is by earning $50 for each movie you watch. And in this video, I will teach you how to do it. You are losing out on a lot if you haven't discovered a means to earn money online while lodging in bed by the year 2022. In this video, I will demonstrate a brand new platform that will compensate you by watching movies, playing video games, or even reading comics book. The best part is that you may complete all of this in the convenience of your bed, so it wouldn't be all that difficult. Simply grab your laptop or phone, visit the website and view the movie. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. For this website, the more movie and video games you watch and play, the more money you will make. Animation Arena is the first and primary platform we will be using to earn free PayPal money by just watching videos. Here we may find a variety of reviews for films, video games, and even comics books. People are providing inputs about this specific blog, forum, or whatever you want to name it. The most fascinating aspect of this website is that you will get paid after watching a movie or playing a video game. Therefore, we will keep using that function to earn $15, and the best part is that you may do this without investing any money, specific knowledge, or experience. Still, that only implies to one email. You can earn money if you join many accounts. However, even if you only make 10 videos a month, that is $150 just for viewing movies. And given how much we all enjoy watching movies, I imagine that we always do it regularly. And what astounded me was the ability to write evaluations for previous films that you had seen. These are the guidelines for using Animation Arena to make money online. Each review you submit must be at least 550 words long, which is a very small amount. Additionally, it must be unique. You cannot simply copy and paste another review. You must express an embraced view of the film, and really that is all you have to do. Additionally, you must grade the content on a scale of 1 to 10 after each review. Therefore, express your thoughts about the film in writing. Simply give your honest opinion whether you enjoyed the movie or not, and you will be compensated $15 for each review. Let's imagine, for instance, that you have finished watching a movie and want to post a review. Send an email with the subject line for Animation Arena 2021 to this address at theanimationarena.com. That is all you have to do. Simply respond to the following questions in your email after that. So, this is how Animation Arena generates revenue online. There is a special bonus offer that will show you an improved and temporary method of earning money while browsing web video content. This is done by utilizing the website Cash Kick. Lets you earn more money by watching very brief video rather than movie. As you can see, they live by the idea that money is the best reward for all the enjoyable online activities you already engage in, such as watching videos and browsing the web. You will put money into your account. Cash Kick always will be completely free. You don't need to make any kind of investment with this approach. You can start with nothing. You only need $5 and you can withdraw your money right now. Not $100 or $500 as a minimum. The fact that you can do this on your computer or smartphone makes it even better. You can carry out this action while sitting on your couch or lying in bed. Whatever you are doing, there is always room for profits.